A professional instrument for one-line performance testing. The front panel features a clear LCD display and function keys for easy operation and parameter viewing. On the top panel, you will find the TX transmit port and ARX receive port, both using standard coaxial cable interfaces. On the side panel, you will find the power port and 3 types of output ports. Now, let us introduce the operation procedure for this tester. First, perform a loopback connection on the instrument. Connect one end of the cable to the TX transmit port, and the other end to the ARX receive port. Turn on the instrument power. Once booted, you will enter the E1 test interface. Click the Set button to enter the parameter configuration interface. Under framing type, you can choose from the encoding formats listed in the menu. For connection impedance, select the 75 ohm coaxial interface, or the 1 to 0 ohm network interface as needed. Under coding type, select HDB3 or AMI encoding as required. In time slot setting, you may select either full or 60 for K. For test pattern, choose the desired pattern from the list as needed. Under connection mode, you can choose between terminated and bridged. After all settings are configured, press the test key to begin the test. Once the test starts, you will first see the error code interface. Any errors will be displayed here directly. Press the F3 to enter the alarm seconds interface, where any alarms will also be shown. Press the F3 to enter the G8 to 1 analysis interface. Here you can check the number and rate of errored seconds. Press the F3 once more to enter the M to 100 analysis framed interface, showing the count and rate of severely errored seconds. Press the right arrow and F1 key to enter the diagram interface. If there are no errors, nothing happened. If errors occur, red line will show. This concludes the operation introduction. Thank you for choosing Baudcom.